Here we are, Auto Body Collision Brokers. We just finished this Ford Escape. We just got it detailed for the customer inside and out at no cost. Car looks beautiful. We just did the front bumper on this vehicle. Right here we repaired it. It was broken and now it looks brand new. Really nice job by the shop vendor. Lifetime warranty for all of our customers. Pickup drop-offs are free and we get your vehicle cleaned after we're done with it. Have a great day. Use Auto Body Collision Brokers. We'll treat you right and give you the best deals, best warranty that you can find. Have a great day. Bye-bye.